Hi everyone, it's Kate from The Fold Line. I am back this week with something a little bit different. We have decided, we get asked a lot about sewing books, which ones are good, doing reviews, and we thought it might be fun to do a little book club. So every month we will have a book available and give you a bit of a review so you can see what you get inside before you buy. And this month we are going to do the Matchy Matchy new book. So it's called Mix and Match. This came out in October, so it's relatively new. I will say, anyone who's watching in the US and Canada, the cover is totally different, but it is still the same book. So, core things to know about this. First thing, which I think is the price. It is really fantastic value. It is £15 for this book. And you get 12 sewing patterns. So you do the math, it's, just over like £1 whatever per pattern, which is fantastic value. The other interesting thing of note with this is that the patterns are not in the book on bits of paper like they are in some of the other sewing pattern books. You have to go and download them. So I prefer this because the ones you get in books are all overlapped, so you have to trace them off. This way you can just download them. It's like getting a PDF. So let me just show you inside the book. I can talk you through some of the books. I did say, didn't I, 12 patterns. Sizing is a UK 6 to 38 on all of the patterns as well. Let's start with where to find the downloads, because this was the only slightly glitchy bit on the book, I will say. So on the contents page, in this little blurb here, is all the information on how you download the patterns. So what you need to do is go onto the web URL that they have said. You have to log into the particular site first, because I didn't understand that I had to log in. This was the other thing I got confused about. And then you can download the patterns. So those are kind of crucial bits of information that slightly stumped me when I was looking. So just remember to log in, otherwise you can't see them available to download. So this book is aimed at beginners, anyone like us who's sort of intermediate, advanced sewers. These are really fun, simple projects. So you can whip them up quite quickly. The beginning of the book has lots of great things. I actually really enjoyed reading, because Matchy Matchy sell fabric alongside their sewing patterns. There is quite a lot about putting fabrics together, which I found really interesting to read. So there's a whole page here kind of about scrap theory and how to kind of put your fabrics together to make them work, with a kind of colour chart. And this was a really interesting page with all the kind of colour strategies and how you kind of put things together, which I think is really interesting. And I'd probably not, it's something that perhaps is quite intuitive, but I really enjoyed reading about it. And there's also a section of how to actually make fabric from your scraps. So piecing pieces together, sewing it together to make a flat piece of fabric to then cut out. So if you have loads of stuff and you like patchworking, it's quite an interesting way to work. So alongside that, there is then things about finding your fit, how to put how to stick the PDFs together. Obviously this designed at real sort of beginners. Some great things about terms of what you will need to know inside, kind of pattern terms. Then there is some stuff on what you'd need, kind of toolkits, and then you move into some of the things that you will learn to do in there. So this one is how to make your own bias binding. Then there are things like how to attach that to an armhole, how to finish it, lots of kind of, and I really like the layout with the colour here. I think it makes it really easy to read, and it's really well written. And then once you've done that, we move into the actual projects. So I will start and show you some of them. So this one's called the Trio Top. The layout of these are really lovely as well. So you've got the picture here, you've got your sizing chart, your finish measurement chart, the skill level, so you know if it's for, and this one's for beginner. And I really like this bit with your kind of shape and style, the fit, the construction. It makes it really easy to assess whether this is kind of the right project for you, especially if you're kind of more in the beginner category. Then you've obviously downloaded your pattern already and got that ready, and then they're in the instructions. They're really nicely laid out. Obviously Matchy Matchy are quite an established sewing pattern brand already, so you know they know how to do this properly. And then yeah, so then it's just each one is laid out like this. So this is called the trio dress, which is really nice. I like all these kind of patchwork. I really love the patchwork element in this book. I think it feels really fun. I was thinking actually anyone who's a quilter who wanted to get into garment making, this would be a really nice kind of transition across. This was very cute, this gardener skirt. I like that with the big pockets, but it's still quite fitted, and it's got panels down the front. So again, you can get creative with the kind of fabric piecing. This was a fun little one with a little neckerchief with a ruffle, which was great. And as it goes on, the kind of projects get slightly more, I guess, more advanced. This one with a little kind of jacket, again actually, but very simple in the construction. The spring button up. Then there's a pair of trousers, which were really nice. Here you can see. And again, kind of lots of nice seam detailing on these, which I think is something that Matchy Matchy's become quite kind of known for. This is kind of their big project, I guess, the Gala Duster, and it's on the cover as well, which I thought was really fun. It's kind of like a cover up, or you could wear it as a dress. There's a super cute little quilted bag with a ruffle, which was really fun as well. And then what else have we got? There was a really sweet little swing top, which was nice. And this one probably is my favourite of them. Is it called gallery shirt? And I really love the fabrication of this, that they've used all the same colours but different size checks on the gingham, which I think works so fantastically. And feels very much their style. This dress as well, this one's right at the end, and again it's really nice with all that patchworking, which I think works really well. There's a really fab bucket hat actually, I think, here, which I thought was so great. Anyone who likes an accessory, this is so good. That bow, I just think it looks, it's fab. So there's loads of really great things in there, and as I said, the instructions are so nice and clear and laid out, and they feel really spacious as well, so it's not all crammed in. It feels like very nice and easy to follow. So I would say this is perfect beginner territory. So if you've got someone who's just getting into sewing, this would be a lovely one. Anyone who's a quilter who wants to get into this, but also if you just fancy some like easy wins, this feels like the patterns are all quite loose fitting, so you're not going to have loads of fitting issues with them either. And to be honest, I can't get enough of Matchy Matchy. They can do no wrong in my eyes. So yes, so that is available. I will pop a link down below, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we have enjoyed talking about it. So yes, that is there for you. I will be back soon with another video. Have a lovely rest of your day. Bye.